So.
My butt is frozen.
Here's your glove. Will that help?
No, I can't put a glove on my butt. I mean, literally, my butt is frozen. It got wet. That's all right. Here we go.
Aaron, go catch him.
All right. Hey! It's awesome out here. Finally a snowstorm we can have some fun in. Look at this. Look how thick it is when I put my foot in the snow here. Look, that's the grass right there. You can't even see the top of my foot.
Where is Aaron's foot? Oh,
Yeah,
my.
that's a good 6 inches. Right here. Yeah, that's a good 6 inches. Would you think? Whew. Got Rick deep.
All right, I'm going to try the slide. Here's somebody take the camera.
All right.
Oh, you get it? Oh.
Are you videoing still?
Yeah, it's still recording.
All right.
I did the rut for you.
Yeah.
Push you?
Yeah, push me.
All right, Jerry's taking the sled.
All right, here we go. Usually I go running and sliding.
Hey, there's the go. All right.
Oh my gosh, getting up is fun. How did you get up without doing that?
There's a picture of the snowfall coming down right there.
Your turn, Aaron.
All right.
All right.
There you go, Doug.
Now, see, you're young enough. You can go run and, like,
Is it on video?
Yeah,
yeah, it's on video. It should be recording, right?